Well, while Jaco's meditating, I'm going to do this introduction. My name's Justice. This is Jaco. We're on our bronze CSS badge. And this is one of those badges that you want to focus on and absorb. Where were you?
I don't even want to talk about it. I was somewhere dark.
Whoa, so dark. Well, maybe after this badge, you might be able to change the style of where you were and brighten it up, get some different colors, and make it a little bit more exciting. So let's go.
CSS bronze badge. Question 1. Websites are like houses. What part of the house is similar to CSS?
Yeah. Remember this metaphor from our HTML badge, where our HTML was like the frame of our house?
I do remember.
Well, the CSS is like the style of the house. You know, like what color paint are you going to choose? How big did you decide to, make your kitchen? Big kitchen, small kitchen? Yeah, the style of the house. Yeah, you can style that house, pick your colors, add
CSS.
You can add, hang pictures on the wall. Pick your style.
It's got style. Question 2. What is CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets?
Yes. Bing!
Bing, I know the answer.
CSS is the code or the language for a website's style. Yeah, so, style points.
Question 3. What can you do if you learn CSS?
If you learn it, you can style it. Yeah, if you learn CSS, you can style your own website. I got style. It never changes, but I got style.
Question 4. What kind of styles does CSS have?
CSS has like different fonts, a ton of different fonts, to style your text. You can change the colors of all of your different elements. You can change the width of a box. You can change the height of an image. You can add a border to any one of your elements, kind of a thing. Like a lot of different styling options.
Radical. Question 5. We can write CSS in a .html file, or we can write CSS in a separate file. What is the file extension for CSS?
This is, it's kind of easy. It's .css. Yeah, you don't have to have a separate CSS file. You can write CSS directly into an HTML file, but overall the best practice is you write it in its own separate file, and it's a .css file.
.css is correct.
Like a snake.
Question 6. Without CSS, our websites would be black and white.
It's true.
Why do we want to add different CSS styles?
Well, we want to make our websites more exciting and pop with colors, and we want to see, different size text and different fonts. We want to make that website more exciting. We don't want it to be boring.
Or we can make it even more exciting with more pop.
And more pop and more colors.
Bingo.
Well, you made mine sound worse somehow.
Yes.
All right.
Question 7. Pretend we code 10 HTML boxes. How many CSS styles do we have to add?
Good question. So let's say we code in our HTML 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different boxes. Well, with CSS, we don't actually have to style one box, style a second box, style a third box, style a fourth box. I'm not going to go on, but you get the point. You can just add one style that says, hey, style all of these boxes to look a certain way. I want them all to look blue.
I like it.
Yeah.
Question 8. What do we have to do to change the boxes to red? I don't like blue. I want them red.
So we started when we first styled these 10 different boxes, and we chose to style them blue. Well, a really cool thing about CSS is maybe we're changing the look of our website and we want to go away from blue and go to red. We simply just have to go into our CSS values and we can just change it from blue to red. And that will make all 10 boxes red, and it's so good.
That is so good. And you know what else is really good?
Pizza.
Yes. The third one is passing badges.
Oh, did we pass?
What we just did.
Nice.
Bronze CSS on the checklist.
That's good. That's
Booyah.
good. I feel great about that. I hope that you can pass when you go take
can.
your quiz. And we're going to be marching on to the silver. This was our bronze. Thanks for watching. As always, I'm Justice.
And I'm Jacob.
And I think I'm going to get pizza tonight.
I'm going to get ice cream.
I'm jelly.